No joy for murderers, rapists, as 4,000 benefits from amnesty. Zadapena mashoko kudanyugwa panguva ine achionekwa kunzi panguva ine pane chiitiko choonekwa kunzi vana ziyambi ava voparura imwe program yashamisa rudzi rwese nenyika yese yezimbabwe. Ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina panguva ino muZFM stereo mudanyura chiti President Emmerson Mnangagwa is pardoned over 4,000 prisoners who are set to be released from prison starting today. Those benefiting from the presidential amnesty include all convicted female inmates, excluding those convicted of specified offences. Others to benefit include all inmates under the age of 18 at the time of the order and all inmates serving an effective period of 48 months or less, provided they are not convicted of specified offences. Justice Minister Ziyambi also said all inmates aged 60 years and above who have served at least 1/3 of their sentence will also be released, together with those certified as terminally ill by the correctional or government medical officer. However, Ziyambi said those serving for serious offences will not be pardoned. To safeguard the public and uphold the rule of law, certain inmates are strictly excluded from this amnesty. The following specified offences do not qualify for clemency, such as murder, treason, carjacking, robbery, and armed robbery, Ziyambi said. Those in prison for rape or any sexual offences will not be beneficiaries of the president's mercy, Ziyambi said. The total number of inmates benefiting from the order is 4,305, including 223 female. Ndo madevelopments aripo murezi pawo pina kukomesa medu dzofundo enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Songa subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.